Hey everyone, welcome to our deep dive. And today we're talking all about WhatsApp for Business.
Sounds exciting.
It is. I actually had no idea how much you could do with WhatsApp for business, Like
Yeah.
I always just thought of it as a way to, message friends and family.
Right.
But you sent over this really cool HubSpot marketing tutorial,
Hmm.
and I was watching it and I was like, wow, you can really use WhatsApp to boost engagement.
Yeah.
You can optimize your customer support and you can drive sales through it.
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that it can be so powerful for businesses.
Yeah, so we should just jump into it, right?
Okay.
What's the first thing that people need to know?
Well, I think the first thing that is most important is setting up your WhatsApp business profile.
Okay, so like a separate.
Yeah, you need to set it up specifically for your business.
Gotcha.
And you want it to look professional, right? So
Yeah.
you need a good logo.
Okay.
And you want to have some really nice images for your catalog.
So the catalog is like where you're going to showcase the
Exactly.
products.
It's like your storefront on WhatsApp.
Okay. And I noticed that with the business description, it's pretty short.
Yeah, you only get 139 characters.
So how do you make that stand out?
Well, they give a good example in the video.
Okay.
They talk about Tori's hats.
Okay. I like hats.
Yeah, and their description is exclusive hats, unrivaled quality, diverse styles, personalized for you.
Wow. And that's all within that 139 character limit.
Exactly.
So they're really emphasizing their unique selling proposition in that short.
Yeah, you got to make it count.
Yeah, totally. And then another thing I saw in the tutorial was setting your business hours.
Yes, that's an important one.
Does that really matter?
It does. I mean, it manages expectations, right? So if somebody messages you at midnight,
Right.
they know not to expect a response right away
Right.
because it clearly states your business hours right there.
So you're not getting those people that message you at like 2 in the morning and they're like, hello.
Exactly. And it also helps you to, keep those boundaries between your work life
Right.
and your personal life,
Because otherwise,
which is so important.
it's so easy to just be constantly working.
It is.
Yeah, I think that's something that, especially as entrepreneurs.
Yeah, so it's good to kind of set those boundaries from the beginning.
Absolutely. What do you think?
Oh, I totally agree.